The civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for Box Elder, UT, beginning at 3:37 p.m. and ending at 5:52 p.m. KUTV. This is an emergency message being transmitted at the request of the Box Elder County Emergency Management Agency and the United Department of Health and Human Services. A mysterious and unidentified contagious virus was reported to have broken out within the Brigham City area. This virus is spreading throughout the city mildly quickly. Over 1,246 cases of this virus have already been reported, and the number is expected to rise as time goes on. Symptoms of this virus include nausea, high fever, excruciating headaches, vomiting, stuffy nose, sore throat, violent coughing, loss of taste and smell, and drowsiness. The CDC, along with the United Department of Health, are currently setting up a contingency plan to prevent this virus from spreading any further. In addition, a vaccine and possibly a cure for this disease is also being developed by said officials. At this time, residents should heed the following instructions as to help prevent this virus from spreading. Wash your hands with warm water for at least 20 to 30 seconds after touching your eyes or your mouth, or after you're done doing your business in the restroom. Maintain a safe distance of 6 feet from any stranger you see. After use of an object or tool, clean the surface of it. Be sure to cover your coughs and sneezes with a tissue or under your arm. Avoid large groups of people. If you are going outside, make sure you wear a face mask as to prevent yourself from catching the illness. If you believe that you or one of your relatives living with you are infected, quarantine yourself with them immediately. This is the emergency alert system serving the Brigham City area. Normal programming will resume, but will be suspended if needed in order to transmit another important message regarding the situation to the public.
Feast your eyes on IHOP's Halloween menu. From caramel apple a la mode pancakes to Reese's Pieces pancakes and monster mummy burritos. Could you stop? Sorry.
The civil authority has issued a civil emergency message for the following counties/areas. Box Elder at 6:42 p.m. on October 5th, 2021. Effective until 9:12 p.m. Message from IPOSCAP. This is an update to the previous alert that was issued about 3 hours ago. The virus that was reported to be spreading through the Brigham City area has now mutated and has gained new and more intense symptoms. These symptoms being coughing or vomiting blood, blurred vision, disorientation, hallucinations, slurred speech, lack of appetite, and dehydration. This virus is also now airborne, meaning that if you were to inhale the air outside without a face mask, then you will most likely end up contracting the virus. In addition, this virus is now fatal, meaning that this virus can kill anyone who contracts it. The mortality rate of this virus is estimated to be around 30%. The instructions from the last alert still apply, but will be repeated for your safety, and will have some additions and modifications as well due to the information that has recently came out. Remain indoors with all air conditioning systems off due to this virus being airborne. Wash your hands with warm water for at least 20 to 30 seconds after touching your eyes or your mouth, or after you are done using the bathroom. Stay as much as 6 feet away from any stranger you see. After use of an object or tool, wash the surface of it. Be sure to cover your coughs and sneezes with a tissue or into your arm. Avoid large gatherings of people. If you believe you or one of your relatives living with you are infected, immediately dial 911. Medical services will immediately arrive at the scene and will take you or your relative to the nearest hospital. This is the emergency alert system serving the Brigham City area. Normal programming may now resume, but will be suspended in order to transmit another message to the public in the event more information regarding the situation comes out.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and the Utah Department of Health and Human Services. This is an important message. Cases of a mysterious virus, now dubbed RHKL 875, have been reported in several counties across northern Utah. The following counties being Cache, Rich, Weber, Morgan, Davis, Salt Lake, Summit, and Tooele. In addition, cases of the virus have also been reported in portions of southeastern Idaho, northeastern Nevada, and southwestern Wyoming. RHKL 875 has now proven itself to be an extremely contagious virus, spreading to several counties and portions of other states in just one day. Containment of this virus is now slowly beginning to fail as the number of cases rise. All residents should continue to abide by the instructions that have been mentioned countless times before. These being, remain indoors with all air conditioning systems off. This is due to the virus being airborne. Wash your hands with warm water after touching your eyes or your mouth, or after you are done using the restroom. Maintain a safe distance of 6 feet from any person you see. After use of an object or tool, immediately clean the surface of it. Be sure to cover your coughs and sneezes with a tissue or into your arm. Avoid large gatherings of people. If you believe you or one of your relatives living with you have been infected, immediately dial 911. Medical services will arrive at the scene as quickly as possible and will help treat the illness.
Please continue to monitor local stations and media outlets for updates on this ever so escalating outbreak.